I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but this hallway has the same hump that the right here in the floor down the middle, like Hampton. And I don't know what that is. I mean, the wood could be a little tight, but there's a little hump in it. I can feel it. I've got my shoes off. But this is the master. And this is what I found. All the doors were open when I got here. Uh-oh. And there he is. He's not very happy. Hey, buddy. I know he's not big, but little dogs bite more than big dogs do. And he's probably just in here guarding the baby when the baby's here. So I'm not going to push my luck. They're supposed to remove animals, and they're supposed to crate them if they don't. And he probably doesn't bite, but he looks a little scared. It's okay, buddy. I know, you got strange people. And that hump that's down the hallway is following straight through. And there's the bathroom over there. But I don't trust that he's not going to get off the bed and try to bite me. I didn't know he was here. I walked all through the house to turn on lights. And when I got to the bedroom, I heard growling, and then there he was. You okay, buddy? He's okay. He's a good girl, boy. Yes, you are. And the ceilings are a little high. It's a decent-sized room. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to push this little guy's luck. Yes, it's okay. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. You'll be alright. It's okay. He's not growling as bad as he was. Can I just look at the potty potty? Okay, so that's a big no. Anyways. And there it is. Alright, buddy, I'm leaving you. So the floor, I don't know if you can see that. You can't see it. Might show up in the video, but it's got that hump, and then the floor is just, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, you can tell it's there. Bye, buddy.